Very good morning to one and all gathered here. Today I am going to share my other research idea, survey of artificial intelligence used in industry, a literature review. And this is my proposed agenda based on the topic of presentation. So let us start with the given idea of abstract. So in today's scenario, so most of the people are changing their work pattern towards the latest technological trend, say artificial intelligence, machine learning, and so on. So the work which we have done in the past will not be the same thing in future trend. So all conventional, the regular olden practice of the job operations will be modernized with the support of uh, the cognitive learning system, say artificial intelligence. So with this few keynote introduction, we will go to the presentation directly. So in earlier olden days, most of the manufacturing, the core companies strictly believed on the human strength, say right from the planning till execution of various factory tasks to be carried out in production operation. But there are some external pressure faced by the labor in matching the demand supply for the production, even though they are well prepared with the resources. So even in a very difficult situation, one cannot able to predict the adequate supply demand of the product for starting the production. In order to overcome the problem, the assistance of artificial intelligence is required. So what is meant by artificial intelligence? It is a computer programming system which makes a smart decision as compared to the human. It is considered to be more autonomous in nature. So it takes the decision based on certain logical influence. The use of such AI system is highly beneficial to humankind in terms of efficient thinking and planning. So the most of the mechanical work done by the human that will be taken away by this AI system so that we can able to improve the effectiveness in and also the productive work with zero error or defect. The ultimate meaning of artificial intelligence is nothing but uh, capturing the natural human intelligence to process the task as exactly same like human. So in this work, the detailed survey was carried out to study the characteristics of artificial intelligence and its uses. So with the given idea of abstract, now we will move over to the introduction. So in this section, artificial intelligence describes about the cognitive machine learning. So we have to train the machine like a human being, like a natural human being. So the cognitive machine learning will train the computer system by pre-programming all the activities into the memory space. So the concept was introduced in the earlier 1950, which has the basic capability to do the task, say observing the given environment and reacting to the external environment and talking to the human worker. This is a kind of ability the earlier AI has got its own potential. But today, modern artificial intelligence system is very high, fast, and quickly responsive compared to the model 1950. So the artificial intelligence will improve the speed of work and also the decision making while solving the complex problem. So where it was generated, so in the mid of Second World War, so the AI concept was normally used particularly in manufacturing industries and public transportation application. The use of artificial intelligence concept will try to remove the manual burden faced by the human operator during the production operation. So in today's scenario, artificial intelligence is highly collaborative in unmanned network system in order to take a very speedy decision in, in foregoing the major activities. The main aim of AI is to support the human in various jobs, say material handling, production, and logistics. These are the various jobs in which the artificial intelligence can be very supportive to the human system. As a overall, the AI recreates the intelligence of natural human thought process by means of computational framework with infinite memory search space. So hence in this work, attempt has been made to conduct a review search about the concept of artificial intelligence on industrial automations. Before moving to the literature study, what are the basic objectives of artificial intelligence? The first thing, understanding the given problem by the art of neural network framing, training the system in order to get the optimal solution. Know each and every component of the problem about the formal system using various the search algorithm heuristic procedures, say depth first, breadth first, and bidirectional search algorithms are performed to get the optimal solution. And use a fitness function or evaluation function to expedite the search process with the standard meta heuristics like genetic algorithm, etc. Now let us go with the literature review, the contribution done by different authors across the globe. So before moving to the literature review, I just want to classify the AI system in the recent past, that is in 1956. So the first AI mission, the Alan Turing mission, was introduced in 1956. So this mission has the ability to learn the things from the observing from the external environment and understanding the problem and directly communicate to the human. Whereas additional packages are being upgraded in later 2000 by Copeland. He has defined into four major parts. Apart from learning, reasoning, analyzing, problem solving, perception, and language understanding. So these are the additional features that has been imparted into the conventional AI system. Now let us go with the literature article. So article number 1, so came out in the year 2013. So in this paper, author has proposed to two number of basic idea about the artificial intelligence. So the first phase, he focused about the process of human thought, the learning capacity of the human being. Second one, mind mapping of human thought process with the missions. So integrating the natural intelligence of human brain with the artificial system, intelligence system. So here the main, the work done by the author is a simulation study of the factory, the production machines that are used in doing the production work with the help of the speech recognition system. So what is meant by a speech recognition system? So getting the natural input from the human voice and we can just convert into electronic digital voice signal in a more precise way within a shorter frame of time. So the author has done a work on automatic speech recognition system using AI principle, manufacturing process application. The next paper came in the year 2017. So this paper addressed about the importance of mission system used in artificial intelligence. So normally in industries, a machine learning, say in preventive maintenance area, in order to detect or inspect the faulty errors present in the machine. So how to identify the problem? With the help of the sensor, the initial warning will be given to the machine about the present condition of the equipment. So the worker will be well prepared enough to tackle the problem by giving proper solution to the recovery of equipment. So in this paper, use of artificial intelligence in preventive maintenance of the factory equipments, automated maintenance system of machineries. The next paper came in the year 2016. So here this article tells about the importance of future smart factories run by the autonomous robotic machines. So there are different types of vision systems are considered in the paper. Say photogrammetric, stereo vision type, structured light, and time of flight. So these are the different visions that is used for quality inspection of a finished component to predict the time and accuracy and also the safety aspects while doing the quality inspection. The next paper in 2017. So here the paper describes about the safety concern in autonomous and driverless car using the AI system. And also we can detect the collision avoidance. So simulation experiments are carried out with a deep learning approach for vehicle control and also safety monitor for collision avoidance. From the above all, from various literature, it is noted that several authors, philosophers have told their idea about the use of artificial intelligence in different broad application, say mission, speech recognition, autonomous driverless cars. Some authors have also given their information about the use of artificial intelligence in manufacturing and the logistics service organization. So with this, now we are going to see a small case study application of artificial intelligence in manufacturing industries. So here in this, the case study, a short description of a simple heuristic algorithm for a production scheduling problem is taken into consideration. So as per the literature survey, the production scheduling problem can be classified into three major types: single mission scheduling, flow shop, and job shop scheduling. So each of the scheduling problem has got certain measure of performance to be evaluated and how we can able to do that evaluation process with the help of the algorithm to get the optimal solution. Say for example, in single mission scheduling problem, minimizing the mean flow time, which comes under the combinatorial category. So what is mean flow time? That is the finding out the manufacturing lead time for completing a job, starting and ending time of the job in a batch. So this comes under combinatorial category. It is high complex case problems which cannot be solved uh, more manually. So we require a computer numerical heuristic algorithm to solve such high case combinatorial problem. Similarly, in flow shop as well as in job shop, minimizing the total make span time, that is a job completion time. So both are coming under the complex case. So for any kind of high complicated problem, we require an exact algorithm to be devised to obtain the optimal solution. See, artificial intelligence algorithm is one such meta heuristics which tries to copy the human neurons by solving the problem in a best way. So AI algorithm can be used to solve the production scheduling problem in this work. So in this work, the simple algorithm steps are mechanically developed for scheduling n number of jobs with n number of missions. The steps are proceeded in the next slide as listed below. So step number one, initialize the given set of data, say number of jobs, number of missionaries, process operation sequence for each batch of jobs, and the process activity timings for each job batches. Then arrange the job as per the importance of the process timing by following the standard scheduling dispatching rule. Then load each job into the corresponding mission as per the operation sequence based on the input data. Then note down the total job completion time after assigning the job in the machinery. Then take the final output. It is print the maximum make span time for the given batch of job and try to minimize the make span time by shifting or transferring the job to the neighboring mission such that the workload can be evenly balanced in nature. So this is the step of illustration, how we can able to develop the logic of algorithm for solving the mechanical problems, say production related issues in a factory. So with this, I conclude that artificial intelligence has got its own path with respect to technological advancement. But at the same time, you have to think that in India, there is no such kind of massive improvement because the main thing, not attaining flexibility and adaptability with the modern advancement. Some areas are still considered to be fully manual operations carried out with the help of the human labor. But in future, there will be high advancement in artificial intelligence which cannot be resisted by the human. So every human being should prepare themselves to face the future of artificial intelligence. So in this work, the case study was addressed based on the application of artificial intelligence in the area of scheduling problem within the production shop. Also, the simple algorithm steps has been illustrated to explain the procedure, how to schedule different batch of jobs on various missions with the aid of them. So hence, most of the complex mechanical machineries will be controlled by the artificial intelligence application in future. So these are the references which I have collected through the web resource. And this is my own the paper, the production which has got published in the year 2018. So with this, I thank each and every one of you. So in the next meeting, I will propose another new topic by connecting the mechanical engineering application with the latest new cutting edge technologies. Thank you one and all present here.